If your weekends feel longer than your work week, you'd love Venus. This planet takes the idea of a long day to a whole new level. Imagine waking up on a Monday and not seeing another Monday for months. Venus is the ultimate destination for anyone who wishes time would slow down or even stop altogether. If your mornings start with the sun rising in the west, you might just be on Venus. Unlike Earth, where the sun reliably rises in the east, Venus flips the script. The sun creeps up from the western horizon, painting the sky in colors you'd never see on Earth, and then sets in the east. It's a sunrise that would make you question everything you thought you knew about mornings. On Venus, the impossible is just another Tuesday. Venus isn't just Earth's twisted twin. It plays by its own wild rules. Its thick, toxic atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Surface temperatures soar high enough to melt lead, and the pressure is so intense it would crush a submarine. If you ever set foot there, you'd need a spacesuit tougher than anything we've ever built. Let's start with time. On Venus, a full spin on its axis, that's one day, takes about 243 Earth days. That means a single day on Venus is actually longer than its year. Imagine how slowly the landscape would change, with shadows stretching and shrinking at a glacial pace. But a year, or one orbit around the sun, only takes 225 days. So, Venus completes a trip around the sun faster than it spins once on its own axis. It's like running a lap around your house before you've even finished turning around in your living room. So, on Venus, the sun rises once every 117 Earth days, but the planet finishes its lap around the sun before it completes a single rotation. This means that if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate a new year before you ever saw another sunrise. Time works in mysterious ways on this planet. Imagine celebrating your birthday before seeing another sunrise. Parties would last for months, and you'd have to wait ages for the next morning. It's a world where the calendar and the clock just don't agree. And it gets stranger. Venus spins backwards compared to most planets. This retrograde rotation means that if you could stand on its surface, you'd see the sun do the unthinkable, rise in the west and set in the east, the opposite of what we experience on Earth. If you stood on its surface, you'd watch the sun rise in the west and set in the east. The sky would glow with a strange, thick haze, and the sun would appear as a blurry orange disk, barely piercing the dense clouds. That's a real cosmic plot twist. Venus is a planet that rewrites the rules of day and night, and challenges everything we think we know about how planets should behave. Want more mind-blowing space facts?